Hello everyone, meet me again here in this channel. Now I want to give you a room tour in Swissotel Chicago, located in the East Wacker. This hotel has a river view of Chicago River, which is very nice. This is the view from the entrance door. As usual, the left side is the bathroom. You don't need to slide in your car key. Yeah. The right side is the cupboard where you can store your clothes. This, yeah. This is the view to the bathroom. There's a bathtub here. The sink, hot and cold water. Okay, manual switch. Soap. This is the closet. And it has also a shower box. This one, hot water and cold water. This is the shower gel, shampoo. And this one is the hair dryer. They hang it there. Door stop is at the bottom, so you will not hit the glass. Okay, back to the room. A big mirror at the left side. Coffee. You can make your coffee here. This is several option. Tea, kettle, a big screen of TV. Drawer. This is the fridge. Empty. You can put your drink here. Water is provided for purchase here. Quite expensive indeed. Okay, just want to note about this lamp. USB here. This is the switch to turn it on and off. Okay, how about the bed setup? The bed is quite spacious. I got a two queen actually here. Two queen size bed. So actually can accommodate up to 4 person. Yeah, this is your chair if you want to work. That's the entrance door. This is a couch where you can sit on. And this is the air conditioning. I've been through some of the America hotel. They put the air conditioning unit here because it can serve you as the cooler during the summertime or heater during the winter. As currently I'm here in mid of November, the weather is quite cold. This light is a bit tricky. To turn it on, and there's a switch here. You want to see which is here, and we need to turn another switch on the bed side. Okay, this one. See, these two switches here. One is to control the standing lamp. The other one is to control the other lamp. Okay. Okay, back to the entrance door with the escape route. Yeah, the building of this hotel is quite unique. It's a triangle shape. And this is room 707. By the way, this is the bell. So they have a button outside. You can turn and ring the bell. This is the safety lock 1 and 2 here. Okay, that's all my walkthrough in Swissotel Chicago, located in East Wacker. I hope you can support me by clicking the like button and click the subscribe button to support me. Thank you. Your support is very valuable for me. Thank you very much. See you again in the next walkthrough. Bye-bye.